Hello everybody, welcome back to our final segment on the Kratky method and how to get going with it. We're back with Frankfurt the Garden Dog, and by now you guys have hopefully seen our other videos on how to prepare your water, how to prepare the Jiffy pods, and then about the jars. So at this point we have all our necessary components together and we just have to put them together in the final moments. So what I like to use the wide mouth mason jars. If you guys don't have these and you just have the regular mason jars, that's okay. You can make them work. All you end up having to do is you just take the net pods and you kind of cut them right down one side in the middle, all the way down to the very middle on the bottom. And that way you can kind of just bend them up and on themselves and you can shove them down in the jar and they still work. If they pop up a little bit, you can take the ring from the lid and just kind of use that to hold it down. And then that's it. So basically all we really need to do is we just need to take our mason jar and you kind of just dip it into the water, fill it up to about here-ish. You want it to be just at the bottom of the net cup. So as a nice excuse me, as less than a little guide, you can just put the net cup right down in the bottom, and it should be the very bottom of it should just be barely in the water. And then the next step is, of course, you just take your seedling and you just pop it right in. That's it. So then the very last bit, and again it's optional, but I would highly recommend it, just for the fact that the more light that gets inside the water, you're gonna have bacteria and algae and stuff growing just that's in our water normally. And so what you do is you take your black sock and you kind of just squeeze it on, like so. And this will end up keeping the water nice and warm, and keeping out as much light as possible. And so in the end it kind of looks a little funky, but this will happen is it'll keep the plant nice and warm and give a nice little dark habitat for the roots to grow. And this guy's ready to go. So this is a bean. We have an oriental bean here. And so he's going to be nice and happy and keep growing. We'll do a couple more update videos and see how they're going. And again, if you guys have any more questions, please put them down in the comment section down below. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one.